उदीरयेत् नष्टप्रायेषु भद्रेषु नित्यं भागवत सेवया भगवते उत्तम श्लोके भक्ति भवति नैष्टिके. So on 8th November 2020 under Nityam Bhagavata Sevaya we are reciting now text 18. Iti abhidhyayato nasha vyavarat sahasanaga varahato ko nirgat angushta parimanakah. What meaning? Iti thus. Abhidhyayatah, while thinking, nasa virata, from the nostril, sahasa, all of a sudden, anagaha, O sinless one, varaha toka, a minute form of varaha, a boar, niragat, came out, angushta, the proportion of the thumb, parimanakaha, of the measurement. Translation by His Divine Grace, Bhaktivedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada. O sinless Vidura, all of a sudden, while Brahma was engaged in thinking, a small form of a boar came out of his nostril. The measurement of the creature was not more than the upper portion of the thumb. Namo Vishnupadaya Krishna Vishnavatari Shrimati Jayapataka Swami Nityanamane Namacharya Padaya Nitya Kirpapradane Gaurkathamadaya Nagargam Tarne Namo Vishnupadaya Krishna Vishnavatari Shrimati Bhaktivedanta Swami Nityanamane Namaste Saraswati Devi Gauravani Parcharini Nirvishesh Shunyavadi Pasede Tarne Jai Sri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Sri Advaita Gadadhara Sri Vasadi Gaura Bhaktavinda Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram 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 Hare Hare. So this conversation is going on between Maitreya Muni and Vidura, and Vidura is being informed that when Swayambhu Manu asked Brahma to give him a place and leave the earth, which is down in the Garbhodaka ocean, so Brahma meditated upon and he concluded, it is only Krishna who can help us to do the devotional service. So he was thinking, he was in meditation. And today he says, oh my dear Vidura, while the Brahma was engaged in thinking here is meditation, a small form of boar came out from his nostril. The measurement of the creature was not more than the upper portion of a thumb. So the measurement of the boar was just maybe half an inch. We have already known for Brahma's body, he has different anga. From his shadow, so many personalities have already taken the place. They are born. So this is not surprising that the boar has come out from his nostril. From his head, we all know the Lord Shiva came. So many things that we have talked about. So the measurement of this was not more than a proportion of a thumb. Small. Now, who can help? Only Krishna. And Krishnena adbhuta karmana. Krishna acts in such a way that nobody can duplicate it, nobody can repeat it, nobody can replicate it. Otherwise, they will say, I am God. So there are certain things which is the copyright of the God, nobody can duplicate it. Not even the biggest of the demigod. None, only Krishna. So he came out, he is Leela. Yash avataro bhutanam, kshemaya cha bhavaya cha. The Krishna comes, Krishna is a avatari or all other avatara. Now all these Vishnu avatara, they come to perform just one or two specific job. Nothing more than that, just one or two. You talk of any Vishnu Tattva, they perform only one or two jobs. But when you talk about Krishna in particular to the Rama, they have done many kinds of the deeds, the feats, the leelas. Many more than one. So let us say what next sloka is there. This is just a rapid study, no philosophy in this. So quickly we'll go through and see what else the Srimad Bhagavatam is trying to reveal to us. Tasyabhipashyataha khastaha kshanena kila bharata gajamatraha prabridhi tada adbhutam abhunvahat. Tasya, his, abhipashyataha, while thus observing, Khastaha, situated in the sky. Kshanena, suddenly. Kila, verily. Bharata, O descendant of Bharata. Gajamatraha, just like an elephant. Prabardhe, thoroughly expanded. Tat, that. Adbhutam, extraordinary. Abhut, transformed. Mahat, into a gigantic body. Translation. O descendant of Bharata, while Brahma was observing him, that boar becomes situated in the sky in a wonderful manifestation as gigantic as a great elephant. In Matsya Avatar we have seen that how within a matter of few minutes and seconds, the Matsya was expanding and expanding and expanding. Similarly here, the boar which came out with 1/2 inch, now he is in the sky of his own accord. Sambhavami Atmayaya, of his own potency, of his own Yogamaya. He situated himself in the sky and now he has become as big as an elephant. And it's a matter of few, not even seconds, palaka. And they all were amazed to see the Lord in that particular incarnation. Text 20. Mariche pramukhair vipraihi kumarai manunasah drishtva tata shaukaram rupam tarkayamasa chitradha. Marichi, the great sage Marichi, Paramukha, headed by Vipraihi of the Brahmanas, Kumarehi with the 4 Kumaras, Manuna and with Manus, Saha with, Drishtva seeing, Tat that, Saukaram appearance like a boar, Rupam form, Tarakyam Asa argued among themselves, Chitradha in various ways. Translation. Struck with wonder at observing the wonderful boar-like form in the sky, Brahma, with great Brahmanas like Marichi, as well as the Kumaras and Manus, began to argue in various ways. The Krishna cannot be known in full. Yatha mam prabadhante tams tathaiva bhajameham. In accordance with the devotees surrendered to him, with their bhava, with their nature, with their desire, only that much Krishna can reveal. So even Brahma is there, Marichi is there, so many Vipras are there, Kumaras are there. Now they are speculating, what is this, what is this, what is this, what is this, what is this. Various ways. Maybe because of that, maybe because of this, maybe because of that. Because it's very, very difficult to understand Krishna. Krishna can only be revealed through the mouth of a pure devotee of the Lord. Otherwise, just speculation. And speculation is based on their own experience. And we have experience of maybe maximum whatever our age, 40, 50, 60 years. And we are trying to understand Ajaha, he who is never born, we are trying to understand him through our logic and argument. And then we reach nowhere. And then we say, सब बेकार है, कुछ नहीं है. क्यों कुछ नहीं है? हमें कुछ नहीं आता, इसलिए कुछ नहीं है. Okay? So, this is a very common phenomena among ourselves. We simply say, in general, he doesn't know anything. As if we know everything. Oh, he doesn't know anything. Oh, he made a mistake. Oh, he did this. Everything he. And we are excluding ourselves that I am free from all these humanly mistake. Either illusion or imperfect senses or making mistake, and on the top of cheating others is accepted. Cheating ourselves is horrific. And that's what we do. We are cheating ourselves. What are we cheating? We are not accepting the truth of life. That every day we have is a borrowed day. And therefore, maximum thing I have to do today, what? To cut the knot of this birth and death. So long there is a body, birth will take place, death will take place, birth will take place, death will take place. And this is never going to stop until and unless in the human form of life, we cut the knot of the birth and death. And that's what is the most important. Now, on the surface of the earth, there are many educated people. We have plenty of engineers and scientists and nuclearists and astronomic and every kind of, we have the people. What we lack are the devotee. He can guide them. And everybody is involved in how to maintain the body. How to maintain the body. And we know for sure that we cannot maintain the body. Doesn't matter whether rich or poor. Vasham te jirnani yatha vihaya navani granahati naroparani tatha bihani sarirani jina nyanyani yamnyati navani dehi. We keep changing the body. And we are not interested. We are simply interested what we'll eat tomorrow and what we'll do maybe another next month or 2 or 3 or 4. That's it. That's the vision we have. And this vision is incomplete. Those who have achieved that particular status that we are thinking now, if you ask them, they will find a vacuum in their accomplishment. Why? Because everybody is looking for the devotional service. Haritoshanam. And if we don't satisfy the Lord, then nobody can ever satisfy it. Dusupoirena analena cha. We cannot satisfy our senses. Simply that we want to. No, there is a process, there is a procedure. And if we don't work on the laid down procedure, then we may get lost in the wilderness of this material science. So, text 21. Kim etat saukaram vyajam shatvam devyam avastitam aho batasharyam idam nasaya me vinishritam. Kim, what? Etat, this. Shaukaram, bore. Vyajam, pretensions. Shatvam, entity. Divyam, extraordinary. Aswastitam, situated. Ahobat, ho, it is. Asharyam, very wonderful. Idam, this. Nasayaha, from the nose. Me, my. Vinisritama, came out. Translation. Is this same extraordinary entity came in the pretense of a boar? It is very wonderful that he has come from my nose. The Brahma is saying, how is it possible? He is comparing his nose to the jazzing form the Lord has taken. He says, he is wonderful. How is it possible? We all know Krishna and Adavata Karmana. It is very, very difficult to understand. Krishna. Who can understand? He who has a faith, implicit faith on Krishna, on the Shastra, on the Guru, on the Sadhu, on the Santas. Then only they can understand. Otherwise, very, very difficult. We are busy day in and day out. Extremely busy. And what you are busy for? Accumulation of money. You know why we accumulate the money? That in the old age when I feel sick, I can protect my body. Now every time we want to save, that we'll enjoy. Many of you may have the flats and the kotis and the bungalows in India. And you're here in 3-bedroom flat, and there you may have a great palace. Now who is enjoying there? Cockroaches, rats, other animals. And you're thinking that's mine. Now who is enjoying? Just tell me. We are not enjoying. We are crumpled over here. We cannot buy any property. Through our nose we are paying the rent. But you say, no, I have got something there. Now this is called illusion. If you cannot enjoy today, how do you expect to enjoy tomorrow? Generally not. Why not? Because as soon as the age is growing up, so many diseases, so many your brittis, ichhas, your trishnas keep increasing, keep increasing, keep increasing. And nobody can live in peace. So the time to live in peace is now. Not after 5 months and 6 months and 7 months. Definitely now. We are worried. What will happen after some time? Well, how we have lived today, up to today, same way we will be living. Problem will come, problem will go. Nothing is permanent in this material world. Neither the body, nor the thoughts, nor the relatives, nothing is permanent. If there is any permanent, that is our Atma, which is eternal, everlasting, unborn, which is migrating from one planet to another planet, one species to another species. Why? Trying to find the sukha. And as the problems comes without inviting, similarly, sukha also comes without inviting. Because they are based on prarabdhas. Whatever my fixed deposit, that much interest I'll get it. You cannot say your fixed deposit, okay, we don't know what is our fixed deposit there, but we don't expect I have got this fixed deposit, but I should get that 10 times. No. So the sentient being, the Manishina, the Sadhu and the Santa, what they say, you do bhajan now and just leave it. Leave it to whom? To the judgment of the Lord. Karmanne vadikaraste ma phalesu kadachana. You must have heard in India. You do karma, you do karma, you do karma, you do karma. And generally speaking, you ask anybody what is karma, nobody can tell you what is karma. None of them can tell you what is karma. They simply say, whatever you are doing is karma. And I am saying, whatever you are doing is vikarma. So nobody knows what the karma is. Karmano hi api bodhavyam cha vikarmana. Akarmanasya bodhavyam gahana karmano gatihi. Arjuna is being informed in the battlefield of Kurukshetra. In the battle of Kurukshetra, you know, then when war was about to begin, the Bhishma Pitamaha, he blew his Sankha. And because of his blew the Sankha, everybody in that party, they started beating the kettle drums and bugles and everything that. Everything was a big uproar. And then Krishna blew his conch shell. Panchajanyam Rishikesho Devadattam Dhananjaya. And Pandro Dadmo or Ananta Vijaya or Sughosa Puniko. And when these people blew their conch shell, no drums, conch shell. Hirdayani Vedarataha. The Kauravas, Hirdaya, become Vidirna. So many of them, they become unconscious by hearing the sound. No dhol, no nagada, just only conch shells. And who is telling that? The Sanjay is telling to Dhritarashtra that your side people, they started shivering. That is a divinity. That is Krishna. So we have to do now. Who has seen tomorrow? As we say, tomorrow never comes. So the present is the one, is a present. Is a present to us. The present is present to us. If we don't utilize it, what's the point? So Brahma is also surprised. And Brahma had seen, he had an audience with the Krishna, Narayana, Garbhodaksha Vishnu. He had seen him Paraspar. He even shook hand with him. But he didn't recollect that Krishna had such amazing activities to do. So, to know Krishna, one has to have faith. What is the faith? That if I am born there is a cause. And because of that cause, if you are born here, they also have a cause. And in times you go back and back and back and back, then you will find out Krishna is the cause of all causes. He has no cause. Ishvara Parama Krishna. Sachitananda Vigraha. Anadir Adir Govinda. Sarva Karana. Karana. We are not saying it. We are not manufacturing it. Is it in the Shastras? It is sung by Brahmaji. And same Brahma, who is saying Govindam Adipurusham Tamam Bhajami, and by saying the Saukara Rupa, he became overwhelmed. Isn't it? Because Krishna was mesmerized to everyone. Man Maya, Mohit Dhiyaha, Purusha, Purusha Ashava, Sreyo Vadanta Nekantam, Yatha Karma, Yatha Ruchi. According to one's karma and Ruchi. And now Ruchi will develop. How Ruchi can develop? Satsanga. See, if you are sitting in the midst of some computer analyst, you will only be hearing the computer language. If you are sitting in the group of some drivers, they'll be talking of their car and first gear and third gear and paint and accident, only about that. If you are sitting in front of some Vipra or some Brahmana, they will be talking of the Shastras. Or they'll be trying to converse about the Sanskrit. And if you sit among the devotees, you'll be only hearing about Krishna. So Sangha is very most important. Bina satsanga na hari katha. Without satsanga, hari katha can never take place. It's must. And then what happens? Let's say for some, they come for a day, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1 year, 2 years, 10 years, 15 years, 20 years, 30 years, 40 years. And if they are not perfected the art of devotional service, they have not lost anything. Their next life will become from the human form. And the journey of the devotion will start from the point they have left. So generally, we have lost nothing. But the money that we have, the property that we have, over the death, everything is gone. You cannot carry. But dharma and bhakti, you can carry. Now, some of you say, who said it? Well, Shastras. How do you know Shastras are perfect, correct? Because we have Sapta Chiranjeevihi. From time to time they come and they propagate the same thing and they vouch it. Yes, it's right. Yes, do it. So even if I have not seen, but so many people have seen. Like we know, just 900 years before, Madhvacharya had learned the art of the devotional service from Vedavyasa in Badrikashram. It keeps happening. Keeps happening. So if you say, who knows? We are telling we know. And this way, we can enjoy the life. And mind you, this life is meant for enjoyment. And enjoyment is only in bhakti. Rest all, there is no bhakti. You will always say, oh, the party was fantastic, but. Oh, marriage party was fantastic, but. Birthday party was fantastic, but. For every time you go anywhere, you say, but. Oh, we went to USA trip, but time was very short. We did this, but I couldn't do this. But. Nobody enjoys fully. And in devotion, एक घड़ी आधी घड़ी आधी में पुनियाद करे जो संगत साधु की हरे कोटि कोटि अपराध. The sinful activities that we are carrying on from time immemorial can go by sadhu sangha. So let us buckle it up. Let us make a point. Let me know. Athato Brahma Jigyasa. I should know myself. Why I am born. What are my duties and responsibilities? How do I achieve it? And I do know that they are true. And then the search of God will go on. So with this, I'll come to my talk. Thank you very much. Hare Krishna.